Kasi bago na lang.
I'm so nervous.
Why are you nervous? They're just doing footspa.
That's why I'm nervous.
We got our nails done. Show yours. How did it feel?
Good.
Making it for the first time.
Good.
And we will
Odd.
eat.
Weird.
Where will we eat?
Chamyuk salamat.
We deserve Korean barbecue.
Unlimited barbecue.
Baby, I literally hold my ADHD for like an hour and a half.
Yes. So
because
now.
of these nails
Yes.
and the foot spa. My goodness.
Just be careful. I will really come there and.
Wait.
Yes. My dad still.
When I told Dad that you're giving me an headache when you're driving. You don't.
Baby. Masakit na naman ang bulsa. 5,000.
My ass is on fire.
Your ass is tired.
I'm paying so
Or
much.
your pockets.
Ass.
Nakapili ngayon kay Chan. Hindi natin namumili.
The mosquitoes will search for you. It's not diabetic.
It's perfect to say it for her to eat those stuff.
Really?
Yes.
Merang? You want to clear? She got it.
Oh, whatever.
Yes.
She's the best. Do we have... That's stretch.
Do you have?
Stretch. Baby ko. We have to train them.
How big? Do you need?
I'll just...
Yes. Okay.
No, not that. Oh, strainer, not strainer. Like, you are doing that.
Greater.
Greater, sorry.
My goodness.
You don't have greater.
Greater, not strainer. Greater.
I can write.
Mm-hmm. I get go. I get greater.
Yeah. I want that. Give me that. Give me that thing. I can't do it like you. No.
What will you cook?
Skender.
Skender?
Skender kebab. Onions. Lots of oil. Lots of oil. We need that.
Sunflower oil?
Yes. And then I can. That is enough. And now we will. A little. We need to love the meat for a while. Until the oil can do its job.
Baby, sorry.
Hello?
I can't do it. I
What?
have my nails. My nails would be broken.
Wait for me.
This is from SNR. Buy one, take one. 2,000 and... How much is this, baby? 2,500?
The one
Or like
no,
6, 1, 2, 3,
Six
and
of
then
them?
another one set.
are getting maybe 400.
How can we possibly maybe
Yeah.
do you need the big one?
Big one? No, small one.
Smallest?
Yeah.
You can use the bigger one too. Or that's better.
Give me the middle one then.
And this big one?
No.
The big one?
Do you want to cook with it?
I don't know. I think yes. It's
Okay.
old now. We can throw it out.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can give it to Bugane.
That's better option, but I will just do it. And we
Evet. Tamam.
Nerede?
Nerede?
Burada. Wait.
Oh, you're not gonna use it.
And